How to clear Plex search history. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can clear your search history on Plex. Clearing search history on Plex is super easy. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your device and log in. Once you're signed into your account, from the home page of Plex, go to the top right corner and tap on the magnifying glass icon. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in your search tab where you'll be able to see all of the movies or TV shows that you've previously searched for. To clear your search history, go to the top right corner and click on this Clear History button. Right after you do that, you'll be able to delete your search history. You can also do this from the Privacy menu. Go to the top right corner from the home page of Plex and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, click Privacy, and then from the Privacy page, click on Delete Data from Plex. Now, under Delete Activities, you'll see the Watch History button. Tap on it, and then click on Delete Watch History Activity from the bottom of the screen. Click on Delete Watch History Activity one more time in the pop-up, and this will delete all of your watch history on Plex. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.